you're behind it, rotate. And you go around it. Need help with?
I'm good.
Fine, sir. Yeah.
Alright, cool. My controls.
Your
Start
controls.
the arm checklist. Hot mic good. Throttles are good. Gas is on.
Alright, Jenny, takeoff checklist for you.
You are clear right about tail. Right about the tail. Shower, please.
Takeoff checklist complete.
Traffic leads 4 o'clock, 6 points southward. Roger. Flight rule 309.725.
No traffic in the mic curve.
And it looks like the nav system is sweet and operable.
And as soon as we get over the populated area, we're going to have to bring it back up. Well, I guess we could call this populated. Yeah, 1500 from Mode to now.
East County traffic, Atlas 16 flight.
Pulling the pin is good.
Roger, from
Lip nudge.
There's 80. 82, looking good. Air speed's up. 3 rates to climb.
There we go. Fellas.
Roger.
Endurance. Alrighty. So we got dealer in the stack in front, gambler. I did not hear Red Devils check in. Arm on, so you get the same result, but without turning the master arm on.
Yeah, we just see the blue cyan triangle for
Yes,
the
sir.
awesome.
Clear. Dealer 5-5. Dealer 5-5, copy. Over. 16 copy.
I'm gonna make a left-hand turn.
Roger.
Coming left.
Figure it out.
Right.
Lead out 6, left, right to left.
Roger that.
Use that your 6 now.
Roger that. Coming around. Hard right.
Clear on right. Got him under 5.
4 o'clock.
What's your,
Atlas 17. Cleared hot.
As soon as he's out of the chute, he's coming off
clear
right.
hot.
Give him a little bit of an offset.
Right, and,
Looking good.
left gun,
1.7.
open fire.
Off right.
Left gun.
Short. Short. There we go. That's it. That's it. 1.3. Master arms on. Do it to it. All right. Coming off.
Left gun, stand by. Open fire with the target.
Right gun, get
Right
ready.
gun, stand by. Right
Right gun, stand by.
All right, we get there.
Right gun Sally. Right wing up. Right gun open fire. Right gun good. Nothing. Terminal logs up. Right gun ceasefire.
Dealer 55 sees appears to be a ravine running from south to north. Appears to be a 1-6 coming back around for another guy.
Gunfighter.
Plus 186 by 76.
Dealer 55 approved. Master arms. Alright. Please torque. All. Visual turn on close. Cheers. Right gun, open fire. There we go. Revving up. Right. Turn shallow right. Yep. We're taking immediate. We're taking fire. Request immediate.
Dealer 55, good impact. And 1-6 copies, we're pushing. Should be another trouble.
Right gun, open fire. Robbing up to the one.
Actually, if you want to lead the attack, we'll be in behind you. 0-2-0.
We're in suppressing. Right gun, keep going.
Dealer 56, clear hot.
Left gun, how much do you have left?
30.
Left gun, go
Simulated. Let's go, Charlie.
Left gun, open fire.
Yeah, 1-6 is visual. Just let me know when you're off.
Gunfighter Winchester. Alright, come around right. Here, can I have controls real quick? Yep. Your controls.
Lead up to no time. Yeah, and 1-7, I'm back here.
Right gun, open fire.
Firing up.
53 knots. Look at my airspeed.
Yep.
Visual. And check ceasefire, right gun.
Roger.
Alright.
Request gunfighter 1-4 copies all. Updates to situation update. Over. We prosecuted multiple BMPs, BTRs, airport earlier in the spring. And then we've also prosecuted a convoy of BTRs with dealer 55. Block 10 to 12 located just to the west of the airfield. We've got no other threat to the aircraft. Is low. Party is still going to be a Berlin Guardian. Delta 4 copies all.
Right guns Winchester. Okay. Nice.
Gunfighter dealer 55.
1-6 at 8 o'clock high.
We got 45 seconds.
Dealer 55, gunfighter 1-4.
8:30. Come around left-hand side of us.
Tower Atlas 1-2's beam for runway 21 off of Charlie.
Atlas 1-2, runway 21, one com clear to land, for Charlie.
Atlas 1-2 clear to land, we'll go. Alright, you guys all set the back?
Confirm.
Clear down right.
Coming down to right.
And busy 5. 3, 2, 1. Get your response straight down 3 feet. There's 2. And 1 inches. 7 out.
Alrighty.